Central government on Friday ordered for the stepping up of surveillance at all the international entry points amid the unusual spread of monkeypox, which has created global concerns. Till now, around 100 cases are suspected in United States, Australia, and Europe. Officials have been instructed to identify the symptoms and collect samples of all passengers arriving from African nations for testing. A senior Union Health Ministry official said, and I quote, a detailed SOP has been issued to officers manning all international entry points that are the first such screening guidelines for monkeypox issued in the country for international passengers coming from African countries. The sample would be taken and then sent to a biosafety level 4 laboratory for testing, he further revealed. Some samples would also be sent to the National Institute of Virology in Pune according to the directions issued. NIV is India's prime virology lab under the Indian Council of Medical Research for testing against the viral disease. Monkeypox is a virus that originates in wild animals and transfers to humans occasionally. The virus causes an illness that lasts for 2 to 4 weeks. The infected individual shows symptoms of fever and lesions. The disease is endemic in parts of Central and West Africa and does not usually have a very high fatality rate. In the past few days, many cases of monkeypox have been reported in US, parts of Europe and Australia as well, and hence the concerns.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.